Yo guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove objects. So let's remove this tomato. So to do that you have to go to your lasso tool. In lasso tool, click lasso tool, then circle, select that tomato, so like this, and go to edit, fill, and content area, opacity 100, mode normal, press ok. It's become a magic. Tada, our tomato was gone. So next one is we need to remove this bottle. To do that you have to first of all you have to make this layer, convert it to layer. After that you can go to lasso tool and polygonal lasso tool, I think that is the correct name. So after that you can select this bottle like this. So nice and easy, select it. Okay, great. If you select some wrong place, so just press backspace, and you will undo the selection. Okay. No, don't put trash. Okay, now go to edit, then fill, then okay. Do the magic. Sometimes this works, sometimes not work, but this time it worked. So there's few small mistakes, but don't worry about that because the trash was gone. After that let's remove this whole text part. So to do that I click, like I select it like this, and after that I go to edit, fill, it's gone. Also remove this part too. Okay, now I have another option. So now I select this part, then you go to the patch tool, go to this area and select patch tool. After that you can replace that page with any of other replace that part with any of other part of this image, so using patch tool. So if you want this part here, only drag and drop. So if you want this part here, only go there and drop. Tada, that is the greatest thing on Photoshop. So okay, this is today's video. I will see you in next video. Bye bye.